Law number one.
Law number one, never outshine the master. From the book of Robert Greene, 48 Laws of Power. The main juice of this law is to never make your superior feel that he or she is inferior to you, and never make them feel that you are a threat to their position. Make them always feel that they are the boss and that you are inferior to them and that they are superior to you. So I'm not saying that never show your talent, but the key word here is to don't overdo it. You can show your talent and skill, but not to the point that you will outshine your master. And there is a fine line between uh, voicing out your own opinion and showing off your talent, because when you're voicing out your own opinion, that's personal. And when you're showing off your talent, you make your boss or your inferior feel that uh, they lack those things that you have, and that's why they can feel that you are a threat to their position. Always make them feel that they are in power and that they are in the position. And when you make them feel that they are the boss, they will perhaps they will reward you with a higher position, but not the position they're currently in. Okay, they can say, for example, that you are uh, asked by your superior to do something, like show some showing a presentation about uh, marketing and finance. Don't uh, make them feel that you are the main the main character of that presentation. Make uh make them I mean make your boss feel that they are the one who taught you how to present and who taught you the knowledge and the skills that you have right now. And always give them all the credit, so that they may feel that they are still in the position. So please stay tuned for law number 2 of Robert Greene's 48 Laws of Power. So your like and subscription is very much appreciated. That's all. Thank you. See you in the next video.